How to choose the right jumping movement and scanning movement. Cross clock are a common type of walk clock, and cross clock movements are divided to two types: jump second and scanning second. What is different between them? Let's take a look. The first one, jumped second movement. When the second hand is forward, it has the thick sounds, and it is most common in the market. Jumping second movement is relative cost lower of produce. It has relative measured productions. The second one, the scanning movement, also called silent movement, uniform rotation of the second hand, while it does not produce thick sounds. The quality of a dynamic scanning movement is poor, although there is no ticking while walking, but due to the internal circle and the use of the original parts of the clean lightning of the production equipment, the movement will produce a continuous rotation in the progress of running. Disadvantage, not silent, power consumption. A battery needs to be replaced in 4 months. The quality of scanning movement are relatively good. The coil is large enough. The appearance also has a better movement, but the price also higher than the regular one, and a battery needs to be replaced in 10 months. Speaking just before the drum second movement production is more mature. If the product is used in the living room, choose better quality movement will have lower sound and lower power consumptions. Stabilized movement such as movement 12888 of HR1688 and other drum second movement are good choice to select it. After reading the instructions up about of the cross clock jumping movement and scanning movement, do you understand how to correctly to select them? Thank you.